Hi, kindergarten friends and families. How are you? I hope you guys are doing well. I am here to tell you about a math game that we have in our day 2 packet of the bundle that you guys picked up for this week. The game is called 10 and More Bingo, and most of the kids love to play bingo. So there's cards in there for you to cut out and a board to cut out, and you will need to find some beans or some pennies or small Legos to use as markers. There's 2 boards, so kindergartner friends, you can play with your parents or a sibling who know their numbers, or you can help them if it's a younger kid. So we're going to talk a little bit today about the concept of counting on. Last week, Miss Handy talked to you about counting by ones and counting by tens, and this idea of counting on actually kind of combines those two. So it is the idea that you would count by a group of 10 and then by the ones that are extra. So in class every day, we go to a space in our room called the number corner, and we count the days of the week. And it has to do with helping kids do this very thing by counting on. So kindergarten friends, I bet you can tell your parents what this is called. It's called a 10 frame. And when it is all full, the kids snap fast know that this is just a group of 10. So we actually, sometimes we don't have to count it, we just know snap fast. So counting on would look like this. We'd say 10, then go 11, 12, 13. So pretty quickly our kindergartners can figure out that is a group of 13 and really fast. Now some kids though are still at the spot when they're not in a group of students where they still don't trust that this is a group of 10. So if you feel like your student needs to count these by ones, that's okay. Just keep working with where they're at. Maybe they can count the first row as a group of 5. So count by 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Your kids can do that too. Now the cards that come in the bingo set are Unifix. They're pictures of Unifix cubes. And they look like this. There will be a stick of 10. Some of them are a stick of 10, and then they have some extra ones next to them. So we're going to practice counting really quickly. So this is already a stick of 10. Miss Hammond counted it, double counted it. So it would look like 10, 11, 12, 13. So we know by counting on that this is a group of 13. Now in your cards, there's also some that look like this. There's 2 sticks of 10 and then some left on the side. So can you help me count these? It would look like 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. And then your job is to find the number 24 on your bingo board and put one of those pennies or beans on top of it. And you're trying to go for a 4 in a row, or if you're feeling like you have lots of time and are like super go-getter, you can see if you can go for a blackout and cover up your whole board. I hope you guys have fun playing it. Bye, friends.